46. So eat and drink and put your heart at ease. But if you see any of the people say, I have vowed silence to the most compassionate, so I am not talking to anyone today. 27. Then she returned to her people, carrying him. They said in shock, "Oh Mary, you have certainly done a horrible thing." 28. O sister Aroni, your father was not an indecent man, nor was your mother unchaste. 29. So she pointed to the baby. They exclaimed, how can we talk to someone who is an infant in the cradle? 30. Jesus declared, I am truly a servant of Allah. He has destined me to be given the scripture and to be a prophet. 31. He has made me a blessing wherever LGO and bade me to establish prayer and give alms tax as long as I live. 32. And to be kind to my mother. He has not made me arrogant or defiant. 33. Peace be upon me the day I was born, the day I die, and the day I will be raised back to life. 34. That is Jesus, son of Mary, and this is a word of truth about which they dispute. 35. It is not Allah to take a son. Glory be to him. When he decrees a matter, he simply tells it be, and it is. 36. Jesus also declared, surely Allah is my Lord and your Lord, so worship him alone. This is the straight path. Yet their various groups have differed among themselves about him. So woe to the disbelievers when they face a tremendous day. How clearly will they hear and see on the day they will come to us, but today the wrongdoers are clearly astray. And warn them, O Prophet, of the day of regret, when all matters will be settled, while they are engrossed in heedlessness and disbelief. 40. Indeed, it was we who will succeed the earth and whoever is on it, and to us they will all be returned. 41. And mention in the book, O Prophet, the story of Abraham. He was surely a man of truth and a prophet. 42. Remember when he said to his father, O dear father, why do you worship what can neither hear nor see, nor benefit you at all? 43. O dear father, I have certainly received some knowledge which you have not received, so follow me and I will guide you to the straight path. 44. O dear father, do not worship Satan. Surely Satan is ever rebellious against the most compassionate. 45. O dear father, I truly fear that you will be touched by a torment from the most compassionate and become Satan's companion in hell. 46. He threatened, how dare you reject my idols, O Abraham? if you do not desist, I will certainly stone you to death. So gone from me for a long time. 47. Abraham responded, Peace be upon you. I will pray to my Lord for your forgiveness. He has truly been most gracious to me. 48. As I distance myself from all of you and from whatever you invoke besides Allah, I will continue to call upon my Lord alone, trusting that I will never be disappointed in invoking my Lord. 49. So after he had left them and what they worshipped besides Allah, we granted him Isaac and Jacob and made each of them a prophet. 50. We showered them with our mercy and blessed them with an honorable mention.